We are talking about sin and vice. What is sin? In a religious context, sin is a transgression against divine law. Each culture has its own interpretation of what it means to commit a sin. While sins are generally actions, any thought, word, or act considered immoral, selfish, shameful, harmful, or alienating might be termed sinful. What is vice? Vice is a practice, behavior, or habit generally considered immoral, sinful, criminal, rude, taboo, depraved, or degrading in the associated society. In more minor usage, vice can refer to a fault, a negative character trait, a defect, an infirmity, or a bad or unhealthy habit. Vices are usually associated with a transgression in a person's character or temperament rather than their morality. Synonyms of for vice include synonyms for vice include fault, sin, depravity, iniquity, wickedness, and corruption. The opposite of vice is virtue. Etymology of vice. Etiology of vice. The modern English term that best captures its original meaning is the word vicious, which means full of vice. In this sense, the word vice comes from the Latin word vitium, meaning failing or defect. This meaning is completely separate from the word vice, which used as an official title to indicate a deputy, substitute, or subordinate, as in vice president, vice chancellor, or viceroy. The etymology of this usage derives from the Latin prefix vice, meaning in the place of. Law enforcement. Depending on the country or jurisdiction, vice crimes may or may not be treated as a separate category in the criminal codes. Even in jurisdictions where vice is not explicitly delineated in the legal code, the term vice is often used in law enforcement and judicial systems as an umbrella for crimes involving activities that are considered inherently immoral regardless of the legality or objective harm involved. In the United Kingdom, the term vice is commonly used in law and law enforcement to refer to criminal offenses related to prostitution and pornography. In the United States, the term is also used to refer to crimes related to drugs, alcohol, and gambling. Vice Scott. A vice squad, also called a vice unit or a morality squad, is generally, though not always, a police division whose focus is to restrain or suppress moral values. Though what is considered or accepted as a moral crime by society often varies considerably according to local laws or customs between nations, countries, or states. It often includes activities such as gambling, narcotics, pornography, and illegal sales of alcoholic beverages. Vice Scots do not concentrate on more serious crimes like fraud and murder. Religion. Religious police, for example, Islamic Police Unit, Islamic religious police units, or Sharia police in certain parts of the Arab speaking world are morality squads that also monitors, for example, dress codes, observance of store closures during prayer time, consumption of unlawful beverages or foods, unrelated males and females socializing, and homosexual behavior. Thank you, please.